Okay, what's up guys? Long time didn't update y'all. So streetkilla, I never do vlog for a long time. So as you all know, I'm Kevin. So right now I'm at the shop where I work. So this is my car. So previously there's a lot of update on this car, but I didn't even like show you all guys. So what we're doing. So let me show you guys what I'm doing here right with my car. Alright, it's still 1UZ. So the only update is we do this. We convert to rear sump. So before that, our engine was this high. So right now it's like around 4 inch lower, 2 inch or 3 inch lower. So we get the engine a bit lower, but damn, it's a headache because we have to do the exhaust manifold back, and then we have to do the mounting back, and then you see like it's really tight here, you know. See the exhaust and the mounting, exhaust mounting, it's very tight. And then here also quite tight. You see, look at the, don't mind of the wiring. You see the steering column, it's touching the exhaust. So few things we have to address with. Engine is a bit lower. Before it was this high. So lower rear sump. So we're just doing the exhaust and everything, fixing back the gearbox. So few stuff. And then we added NOS. So the previous NOS was leaking, so we sent for repair. So we're doing another NOS kit. Okay, so let's look outside. We paint the car black. We custom fender and everything. So basically the back is fiber, fully fiber. You look, fiber. The back fiber is from S13. S13, we make it appearance there. You can see a number plate here. Normally BMW number plate here. So it's a S13 bumper. So I want the white like the skirt look, no, like a skirt, no, a girl skirt like that. So that's the thing. Basically the same thing. Still the same setup at the back. So before that, we was using the PVC pipe, right? Oh shit, PVC pipe. So we changed to metal pipe because we keep popping out because I never insert a steel cone. So basically same thing. I told you all got NOS, so we not should do anything yet. So I show you all the exhaust. So look at the exhaust, beautiful wells, right? Nice well, no? Don't play. So the wells. So basically exhaust is go to the back halfway. So there's the rear sump. Before the oil sump was here. It was this big, the oil sump. So same thing, my potong sambung angle kit, all cut and weld, potong sambung. So car is black. Maybe I will put some beauty shot of the car painted black. Inside is the same. It's a bit dusty. You see, this car just after event and just park, and then just fully do the everything, yeah, fully. After event, just leave it. Then we change to rear sump because I have one deal. We swap from rear sump to rear sump, two front sump, swap with two rear sump. So this car one and that car one, rear sump. So all one UZ player. So that's the update lah. Anything, I'll let you know the next event. Maybe I'll try to vlog for driftings. I'll try to do some vlog and some inside footage of this car. So after I done everything, let's hear the startup, okay? Guys, let's try to start the car, right? Go into my cockpit. Yeah. Alright. On. Okay, come on. Start. Whoop. Start, boys. cold start. No water yet. Look at the sound, boy. LS or this LS? Which are nice. Where? Check some leaking. Because right now I don't want to run oil filter because I don't have the bracket. So let's double check. Need some rest. Janji it start. So check there's any leaking. This is all fully custom. A bit you can see here a bit leaking. So because I cannot put the oil filter because the original one hitting the oil filter right here. Yeah, it's hitting right here, and I'm lazy to cut, so I modify. So this is the oil filter. Adapter will be somewhere here, and then 2 AN line run here. Yeah. Start. Have to do a little bit of here and there. It's good. Just now start sejuk. So, let me check if there's any fuel. No wonder. No fuel. So whoa, slow down. So that's the update for my 1U. See you on the next video. This LS or that LS? Which one? This is LS1. I wanted to put this, but budget too high. So right now just use 1U that first. So I'm planning to use this car for drifting. What do you guys think? Should I use this car or the S15? So which car should I use for drifting? Comment down there, like, hey, support me building my E36 dream build drift car.